Alright, so this is our house. Well, here's Allie walking down our street. We're much better off than our neighbors who you can see don't have any outlet. And oh, it's windy. Okay, so here's our snowbank leading up to our house. We actually had it plowed last night at some point, so now he's going to go over there, and I'm just going to walk up. Bye, guys. Hold on, I'm going to go this way for a minute. And here's our house. There's our mailbox, if you can see a little tiny bit. And we had the plow come, so we have a little inlet. He definitely has to come again, obviously. So, where's Allie? There she is. Come on, Soph! Sophie!
Oh, look at our bushes fell down.
I think they fell from another storm.
Bushes.
Oh, yeah,
They
look
all fell down.
at our bushes. They're supposed to look like that. And they look like that. Wow, that's brutal.